Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your name in Zoom. Updating your name can help others recognize you easily during meetings or webinars. We will guide you step by step on how to change it quickly. Let's get started. Now, on your Zoom dashboard, you just have to click your menu profile. As you can see, we have the menu profile here. You click this one and then click on your name or on My Account. You just have to click that. Once you're here, you just have to click the Edit option. As you can see, there is your name. You just have to click Edit, and then you can change your first name, last name, or display name. Once you're done, you just have to click Save. It is so easy and simple to change your name in Zoom. And that's it. You have successfully changed your name in Zoom. Now you can click Name, and your correct name will appear in meetings and sessions.